The Huawei Watch GT series offers a smart, long-lasting alternative to typical battery-draining smartwatches. With the Watch GT6, just released in late 2025, boasting up to 21 days of usage, expectations for the next generation are already building fast. So what can we realistically expect from the Huawei Watch GT7? And perhaps more importantly, how could Huawei push this line forward beyond just incremental tweaks? If we look at Huawei's recent launch cadence, a pattern is clear. Watch GT models arrive reliably each year around September, and each new version brings meaningful refinement rather than wild redesigns. A September 2026 launch for the GT7 seems likely. After GT6 set high standards in battery, display, and health tracking, Huawei faces the challenge of delivering a true evolution. One of the biggest areas where rumors and wishlist discussions overlap is cellular connectivity. The GT6 series lacks built-in cellular or Esim support, meaning it still depends on a paired smartphone for calls and messages. Adding true Esim capabilities to the GT7 would be a defining change, giving the watch genuine independence from your phone, something competitors have been doing for years, and it's a feature many users feel is overdue in this lineup. A GT that can handle calls, messages, and even emergency alerts on its own would broaden its appeal dramatically. On the software side, HarmonyOS continues to be tailored tightly for efficiency, responsiveness, and battery conservation. With the GT7, it's reasonable to expect HarmonyOS 7 or a refined wearable build that unlocks deeper app support, more sophisticated watch face options, and better cross-device continuity. Moving beyond simple Bluetooth tethering to include Wi-Fi connectivity could make sync and notifications far more seamless, especially for users who don't always carry a phone. Health and fitness metrics are another area ripe for growth. The GT6 already expanded its tracking suite, including advanced cardiovascular insights and precise sleep monitoring. Given the increased focus on comprehensive health detection, from stress and emotion tracking to real-time metrics during workouts, the GT7 could bring tighter integration with wider health platforms and possibly unlock even more detailed analytics for activities beyond running, such as cycling power and recovery modeling. Display improvements may not leap in size or raw resolution, but refined brightness profiles, especially at low light levels, are likely. Until Huawei makes it official, all of this remains informed speculation. But based on patterns, rumors, and logical upgrades, the Watch GT7 stands to be one of the most intriguing smartwatch launches of 2026, a device that might just bring the best balance of battery life, smart features, and fitness smarts in its class. What upgrade are you most excited about? Let's discuss in the comments below.